Dogecoin's price may be surging, but that doesn't mean it's a good investment. Dogecoin has been making headlines over the past few months for its staggering returns. Since the beginning of the year, the price of Dogecoin has soared by nearly 7,000%. Over the last 12 months, it's up by more than 15,500%. We will discuss more about Dogecoin in this video. If you are new here, then please subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos. By comparison, two of the biggest names in crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have seen their prices increase by around 300% and 1,000%, respectively, over the past year. While many cryptocurrencies have experienced record-breaking returns, Dogecoin is in a league of its own. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum may be the biggest players in the crypto space, but they're also expensive. Back in mid-April, when Bitcoin reached its peak, it cost around $65,000 per token. Ethereum cost just over $4,000 per token at its peak in mid-May. Dogecoin's record high, however, was just 68 cents. With a price that low, it's one of the most affordable investments out there. And if you're on the fence about investing, it can be tempting to buy Dogecoin simply because it's cheap. That can be an incredibly risky move, though, because affordable investments aren't always good investments. If you buy Dogecoin just because it's cheaper than its competitors, you could still end up losing money. While all cryptocurrencies are risky, Dogecoin is one of the most dangerous investments. Before you even consider buying, it's important to think about how this investment may pan out over time. Will Dogecoin survive over the long term? With any investment, the most important factor to consider is whether or not it's likely to experience long-term growth. Long-term investments are more likely to bounce back after downturns and retain a competitive advantage in their industry. Cryptocurrencies, in general, are still highly speculative. In other words, nobody knows for sure whether they'll still be around in a few years or decades. Dogecoin, however, is especially risky because it doesn't have as much utility as its competitors. Will Dogecoin's price continue to increase? Part of the reason why Dogecoin's price has soared is because it's been heavily promoted online. Celebrity billionaires like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban have promoted Dogecoin on social media, and retail investors have invested in droves. The more people who invest in an asset, the higher its price becomes. Dogecoin's run is similar to the GameStop saga earlier this year, when investors pumped up the stock price, only to dump it shortly after in an attempt to make a quick buck. With any investment, if the stock price doesn't align with the underlying fundamentals, that's a red flag. Dogecoin has little utility and no competitive advantage in the industry, yet its price has skyrocketed. That's a sign that this growth won't continue over the long run. The price of Dogecoin has already taken a turn for the worse over the past couple of weeks. And unless it develops a way to stay competitive, there's a good chance it won't survive over time. So no matter how inexpensive it is, it's still a dangerous investment. Where should you invest instead? The best investments are the ones that are more likely to experience long-term growth. Dogecoin may not be the best investment right now, but there are plenty of safer options out there that still have the potential for higher earnings. Should you invest $1,000 in Dogecoin right now? Before you consider Dogecoin, you'll want to hear this. Our award-winning analyst team just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now. And Dogecoin wasn't one of them. Stay connected for more videos related to cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.